A daily 1-hour extension for free preschool attendance, otherwise known as ECCE, is on the way. It is part of a planned boost to parents in the upcoming budget. Childcare prices vary by location, but we estimate that it could amount to a saving of as much as €1,900 per child for parents who rely on ECCE as a source of childcare. Studies show that extra hours also have major developmental benefits for the children involved. Minister for Children Norma Foley is exploring plans to provide children with the extra hour per day in the second year of preschool. ECCE currently provides 3 hours of free preschool a day for 2 years. It is unclear at this stage when exactly the measure might come in, but it is a key element for talks around financial provisions in 2026. The ECCE programme is very popular, with 96% of all eligible children taking part in it, a remarkable statistic. The model has also been studied by other countries.